For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches multiple of 5, 3 times 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 and plus 1 extra stitch, 16 and plus 2 edge stitches, 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1 from second hole, not from this hole, making from this hole. This is second hole. Insert this needle and knit 1 from second hole. Yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1 from second hole and purl 4. This is 5 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? So knit 1 from second hole, from this hole, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in back, one more time, knit 1 from second hole, from this hole, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, knit 1 from second hole, from this hole, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 1, knit 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one more time, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 2 stitches, purl 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1 from second hole, from this hole, insert this needle and knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1 from second hole, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? So again knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. One more time, knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. Last 2, knit 1 from second hole and knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Again knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. Again purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. Last 2, purl 1 and purl edge from wrong side. fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1 from second hole, yarn in front, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. That's our repeat from here to here. Again we repeat this pattern. How many you have? So knit 1 from second hole, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Yarn in back, knit 1 from second hole, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Last two, knit 1 from second hole and knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps and muffler and baby blanket. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.